guys, and welcome back to Number 9 Farms. I'm Dawn Gallup, and today I'm going to be making the whole chickens that we processed ourselves as we licensed, or whatever you call it, to be, what do you call it?
We're inspected by the U.S. Department of Agriculture to process poultry on our farm and sell to people.
Okay, so anyways, we eat a lot of those. So today I'm going to show you how I do it in my Instapots. And the first, it's so simple because like I told you, I try to do everything simple and easy. And I'm going to put 1 cup in here of chicken broth. And normally we have our own chicken broth because of course we have extra chicken and parts and legs and feet and everything else, so it's easy to make broth, and we have lots of vegetables. So, but we had ran out and we hadn't had a chance to make any, and Bruce had bought some of these, so it works. And of course, he likes it because we ain't got to do it.
Yeah, I like it. Buy it by the case.
All right, so this is one of our beautiful birds right here.
All right.
So, and this one is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one in here.
Yeah, that one's almost 6 pounds.
And then I'm going to put this other one that was a little bit littler in here. Wash my hands real quick so that I can do the rest of it. We all are good at that now, huh? Washing our hands really good. Alright, so I'm going to put some garlic in. And like I said, I don't measure. I'm not one for measuring stuff. Just throw it in. And then this is the celery that smells incredible that I did on the video the other day on dehydrating celery and how I use the Instapot to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of that in. It actually really tastes good in the chickens. And like I said, no rhyme or reason to how much. Whatever's going to get in that pot. And I put some onions in. Now I'm gonna put the carrots in, and I clean them and I just leave everything whole, as far as I don't cut the tops or the bottoms off, because there's really no need to. But if you don't like it, then cut them off. And I try to get as many as I can in there so everybody gets carrots and everybody's gonna get potatoes. So it's just a nice little bonus. The carrots taste incredible. That one's not gonna break. I had to put my Hercules on it. Hercules, Hercules.
Put your Wonder Woman on it.
Wonder Woman. Alright, now I'm gonna get the potatoes ready, and we'll be back with the potatoes because I forgot to put the potatoes on ready for y'all. I got the potatoes ready. So you don't have to cut these, you can leave them whole. If you're having a problem with getting them because they're bigger, wherever, I just stuff them in as much best I can. I like them whole because they have a really nice taste with their whole like that. And I try to stuff it as much as I can because that way everybody, they love this.
This is delicious.
This is one of their favorite meals. Of course, I think the boys like everything I fix because they seem to eat it. And yesterday, Colton, my 18-year-old, he said, "I like when you're home," which was a nice thing to say. All right, and so it looks like to me we got plenty of potatoes and plenty of carrots and onions, garlic and celery. And so now I will go ahead and do the spices. And this is from one of my buddies at the market, the Hamtown Spicery. He has some of the best spices. I'm not kidding you. Everything he has is delicious. And he's one of my favorite places to shop at our market.
Next to our booth.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I don't need to spend any money at my booth. I've already spent all that. Am I right?
Yeah, that's right.
So I just use, I'm a big spice lover, so I use a lot of spices. And this here is another one of our buddies that he just takes everything from the garden and he calls it his spice of life. And it has a kick, but it's a nice kick. And then of course some of the rosemary that I dehydrated. Which is absolutely delicious and smells really good cooking. And then you could even throw in a little bit of salt. It's all your choice, whatever. It's all good. And when I tell you that I'm a spice lover, spices
Yes.
and spices.
Yes.
Wait.
And
Spices. And spices, and it goes all the way to the top.
Yeah.
And then I even have a few snuck in here for, I know, I'm not a spice hoarder. I just use a lot of different spices and a lot of different things, all from other places and everything. Okay, so now, Bruce, you might want to walk around here so they can see the dials. Okay, so here's where I use the meat button. And I do 45 on that. And then it's all set up here at the top. And now we will put the lid on, hit the meat button, and go to 45. And it's all done, ready to go. And then the pressure will rise and it'll go, and then usually we get busy doing other stuff and we'll come back to it and they'll be all nice and ready to eat. Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm back. We're gonna go ahead. It's been 1 hour and 9 minutes now since it's been in the cooling stage. Like I said, we go on and do our business and come back when we're ready. And the pressure is off, of course. Looky there.
Wow.
Okay. Look
Oh
at that.
Oh my goodness.
It smells incredible. Okay, so that's that one. And this one still has a little bit of steam left on it. It's been 1 hour since it's been cooling. There goes the pressure. Ta-da! Look at that. This one's so...
Wow.
Okay, guys, I'll show y'all when we're eating this. Okay.